Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, in last class we learned about keyboard children. Today's class we are going to learn about the mouse. So we already learned computer having four parts, that is keyboard, monitor, CPU and the mouse. So mouse is the one of the part of the computer. Okay. So do you know, all of you open your textbook children and see page number 32. Here one box is given, no? Fifth lesson, the mouse. Do you know that the computer mouse is different from the house mouse? A computer mouse has buttons on it. If you see, we are having so many mice in our home, no? Means mouse in our home, no? That is different mouse children. That is house mouse. But computer also having one mouse. For this mouse we are having buttons. So I already explained what that mouse will do. What that mouse will do, now we will see here. Here one small activity is given children. Now I will explain that. Four uses of the computer mouse are hidden among the following words. Spot and circle the four uses. Here so many actions are given. So which one the mouse will do, which one the mouse will not do, now we have to identify. So breathing, mouse should not breathe, computer mouse should not breathe, no. Heating, no. Typing, we should not use mouse for typing, no. We will use for typing keyboard. Cut, cut also we should not do cut. And open, children, we can open files by using mouse, and we can draw pictures also by using mouse. And think, mouse should not think, no. And select, by using mouse we can select things. And mouse should not light, should not cook, and but we can point files and we can show what are the icons on the monitor, that we will point by using this mouse. And listen, mouse should not listen, no children. So this is about the mouse activities. Okay, here there are two more buttons on a computer mouse. Nowadays there is also a mouse with two buttons and a scroll wheel at the center. The scroll wheel helps us move up and down page. Children, see, the mouse is looks like this, children. See here, the mouse is looks like this. So here what is this? See, the mouse having two buttons, I said, no. This is called left button and this is called right button. Okay, and in between one scroll wheel is there. This is called scroll wheel. Okay children, actually nowadays mouse are available in market. Two buttoned mouse, three buttoned mouse also available, and wired mouse, wireless mouse also available children. Okay, so actually mouse having three parts main. What are those? Left button. Okay, see here, this is left button, right button and scroll wheel. So these are the parts of the mouse. Okay children, mouse is looks like this. Mouse with two buttons and a scroll wheel. Okay children, now see. The mouse is joined to the CPU with a thin cable. The cable looks like the tail of a real mouse. So you see, you see children, always the mouse is having a cable. How the real mouse having a tail? Like that, computer mouse is also having a tail. That is not nothing but of tail. It's a cable, and this cable is connected to the CPU. Then only the mouse will work. By using this mouse, we can move, we can open files, we can point the icons, and we can draw pictures. So many things we can do by using this mouse children. Okay, see. So here one activity is given, draw a cable for the mouse shown below. So children, you also draw like this in your textbook. Draw a tail and draw a small CPU picture and connect this with the CPU. Okay children, this is the activity. Next, proper way of using mouse. So how we will use mouse? Children, always we have to use our mouse and keep our mouse very carefully, because the mouse will get dust, no. it should not going to work. Okay, so how we will keep safe our mouse, children? Now we will see. The mouse is placed on a mouse pad. See, children, this is mouse pad. See how it is looking. This is a mouse pad and it is made with rubber. Okay, mouse pad is a piece of rubber on which the mouse sits. Always we have to keep our mouse on this mouse pad. The mouse pad has a smooth surface which provides a soft and flat surface to the mouse. This mouse pad provides a smooth surface. If you see, this mouse pad is having smooth surface and we will keep the mouse on this mouse pad and we will move our mouse smoothly, and down one scroll wheel is there, no, that also moves. Scroll ball is there, that also moves smoothly. Then the mouse also work nicely. It does not allow dust to collect under the mouse. Dust is harmful for the mouse. So if you keep this mouse on the table directly, it will catch the dust from the table. So the mouse will going to struck. It should not work properly. That's why we always keep our mouse on this mouse pad. Okay, children. Next, coming to here, see, the buttons of the mouse should always point towards the computer system as shown in the picture. The mouse should not be turned sideways. See, always this left button and right button should be faced to the monitor. Like that position only we have to keep our mouse always. We should not keep these mouse buttons opposite to the monitor. Always it is faced to the monitor. This is the correct position of the mouse to keep on the computer table. Okay, children. Next, we should not turn sideways also, children. Next, how to hold mouse. Okay, we learned mouse. What are the parts of the mouse? Left button, right button, and scroll wheel. That all we learn, no? So how we have to hold mouse? We have to work with mouse, no? So how we have to hold? Now we will see. To hold the mouse correctly, you need to know the names of fingers. First of all, we have to hold the mouse. We have to know, first of all, what are our fingers. That we will see. Here one activity is given, children. See, what are those? Here some. Can you name the fingers of your hand? Use the clue box to name them. Here in clue box, finger names are given. See, ring, index, thumb, middle, little. So shall we? What is this finger name? Thumb finger. What is this finger name? Index finger. What is this finger name? Middle finger. What is this finger name? Ring finger. And what is this finger name? Little finger. So now we learned what are these fingers. So how we have to hold the mouse, now we will see. Let us see how right-handed person holds the mouse. So children, you know, some persons are using right hand to work always. Some persons are using left hand to work always. So which persons are using right hand to work always, those persons are called right-handed persons. Like that, which persons are using left hand to work always are called left-handed person. So right-handed persons how have to hold the mouse, and left-handed person how have to hold the mouse. Now we will see. See, left-handed person how he hold the mouse. See, he places his index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. He keeps his palm on the table and holds the mouse as shown. Correct now? See, left on the left button index finger, on the right button middle finger he kept. Coming to left-handed person, how he hold the mouse. See, here is the way how left-handed person holds the mouse. He places the middle finger on the left mouse button and index finger on the right mouse button. So full opposite, children. Right-handed person, index finger left, middle finger on right. Left-handed person, middle finger on left, index finger on right. Like this they will hold the mouse. Okay. He places his middle finger on the left mouse button and index finger on the right mouse button. He keeps his palm on the table and holds the mouse as shown. So this is the way of right-handed person to hold the mouse and the left-hand person to hold the mouse, children. Okay. Next, see. Here one small activity is given, children. Shall we do? What is that activity? See. Radhika is a right-handed girl. Suraj is a left-handed boy. So, she is right-handed girl. He is left-handed boy. Okay. Put a tick under the picture which shows the correct way of holding mouse. So, now we have to tick correct. Which picture is correct? Radhika is which right-handed girl, no? So, she is using right hand here and she is using left hand here. So, which one is correct? Right-handed girl, no? So, this one is correct. So, we have to tick here. Next, see what Suraj is a left-handed boy. So, Suraj here holding mouse with left hand, here holding with right hand. So, which one is correct? Left-handed boy, no? So, this one is correct. Okay, children, you also do in your textbook this activity. See how this picture, in this picture, this robot how hold the mouse. See, this is very wrong method, children, to hold the mouse. Okay, see here it is bad to lift. It is bad to lift the mouse off the mouse pad. We should not lift the mouse like this. Okay, children, always we should lift the mouse like this, children. We should lift the mouse like this. Okay, like this we have to lift the mouse from the mouse pad. Don't lift the mouse like this. Mouse can be of different colors, shapes and sizes. Nowadays, mouses are coming in different colors, different sizes and different shapes also, children. Okay, see, mouse pointer. So, what is mouse pointer? See here, children. This arrow button is called mouse pointer. This arrow button is called mouse pointer. When you open a computer, any computer, one arrow will moving on the monitor always that side, this side. So we observe this this arrow on the monitor. This is called mouse pointer. Means this mouse pointer is move left side, right side, up and down. Where we can move this mouse pointer by moving the mouse. If you move the mouse pointer left side, if you move the mouse left side, the mouse pointer will move left side. If you move the mouse right side, the mouse pointer will move right side. If you move the mouse up, the mouse pointer also move up. If you move the mouse down, the mouse pointer also move down. Means how you are moving the mouse pointer also will move on the monitor like in that direction only. Now we will see what is this. Okay. See here, Ragini and Arjun love to watch the night sky. Here Ragini is pointing towards the polar star. So here Ragini and Arjun are sitting and pointing the stars, means showing that stars. Here this Ragini is pointing which star? Polar star, means showing, pointing. So how she is pointing? She is showing this particular star is polar star. So this is called pointing. So like this we can point icons, pictures on the monitor by using this mouse pointer. What do we use to point at something on the computer monitor? Here we are she is pointing with her finger, no? Here how we will point here these pictures? We will point by using this mouse pointer. We will point by using this mouse pointer. If you move the mouse right side, this mouse pointer comes here and points this picture. Like that we point which picture we want by using the mouse. If you move the mouse, this mouse pointer also moves on the monitor. Now we will see, children. We use our fingers to choose or point to things. We can use the pointer. This is pointer, nothing but of mouse pointer. To point to things on the computer monitor. when we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves in the same direction on the computer monitor. If you move the mouse up, the mouse pointer goes up. If you move the mouse down, the mouse pointer comes down. This is mouse pointer, children. Okay. See, if we move the mouse right, the mouse pointer goes right. If we move the mouse left, the mouse pointer goes left. This is called the pointing. So by using this mouse pointer, we can point the icons, pictures, what are those on monitor. We can point with this pointer by using mouse. This is called mouse pointer, children. Next, mouse action. So this is one of the use of mouse, and another use of the mouse is we can do actions. If you click the file will open. If you keep the mouse pointer on any file and you click the left button, the file will open. Means we can do actions by using this mouse. So when we press a button on the computer mouse, a click sound is heard. This is called clicking the mouse. Means if you press the left mouse button, it will sound as a click. It is called mouse clicking. If you keep the mouse pointer on any file and click the button, this left mouse button, automatically the file will open, children. So this is called mouse action. And clicking means we will press the left mouse button with the index finger, right mouse button with the middle finger. This is called clicking. Okay, children. So this is the mouse lesson, children. 5th lesson. I completed this explanation, and notes that all we will see in next class. Answer time I will explain in next class, children. Okay. We will meet in next class, children. Till then, take care. Bye bye.